Hello everyone, myself Nikhil Dalvi, and I am going to present the presentation on IoT architecture and sensors. My project title is Smart Traveling Bag, and the project is guided by Vikrant Verma sir. So these are the outline of my project. First one is abstract, second is problem statement, proposed solution, physical model, IoT level of my project, and the last one is sensors, actuators, and gateways which I have used in my project. So this is the abstract. The theme of our project was uh, make IoT enable thing from non-tech things. The non-tech thing was traveling bag, and title assigned to me is smart traveling bag. This is the abstract. Smart bag is an application specific design that can be used for almost everyone in the society. This project mainly uses ultrasonic sensor and infrared sensors for following the human. The RFID chip is used to authentication purpose. There are so many advantages of having such a bag that in the future it will most likely be in the trend. The solar panel attached on the front part of the bag will charge the electronic appliances like mobile phones, and the Bluetooth module will be used for communication purpose with the mobile. So this is the problem statement of my project to make the traveling bag attainable, because many times bag get lost in the crowd while traveling, and while traveling carrying too many bags is very hectic. For this I have made the bag IoT enabled. The bag will follow the user. Proposed solutions. So this is the block diagram of my project. I have used the Arduino as the gateway, and at the left side of the block diagram there are some uh, sensors which I have used in my project, and at the right side there are actuators which I have used. The first sensor is Bluetooth sensor. Second is RFID module. Third one is ultrasonic sensor, and fourth is IR sensor, which I have used for following the user. And at the right side there are speaker and motors. This is the physical model of my project. These are the components which I have used in my project. For example, Arduino Uno, Bluetooth module, RFID sensor, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, speaker, motor driver, motors, etc. IoT level. These are the points justifying the IoT level for my proposed system. As my system is smart traveling bag, that falls into the travel domain. There are not such a big data required to store in this application. That's why I haven't used the cloud service, as I'm not using the cloud in my application, since my project is at IoT level 1, because I'm not using the cloud service in my project. Sensors. These are the sensors which I have used in my project. First one is IR sensor. The feature of it is the element used in this sensor detects the heat radiation with the help of infrared radiations that changes over time and space due to the movement of people. The specification of it is the main chip used in the IR sensor is LM393, and the operating voltage of IR sensor is from 3.3 voltage to 5 volt. And the operating principle, infrared sensors works with the radar technology, and they both emit and receive infrared radiations. The another sensor I have used is the ultrasonic sensor. Feature: because of the way they work, ultrasonic sensors are highly accurate and can be used to detect very small alternations in position. The specification is the modulation frequency of ultrasonic sensor is 40 Hz, and the operating voltage of it is 5 volt, and the operating current of the ultrasonic sensor is 15 milliampere. Operating principle: the ultrasonic sensor work by sending out the sound wave at the frequency above the range of human hearing. Third sensor I have used is RFID module. Feature is RFID technology automates data collection and vastly reduces human effort and error. Specification: the frequency range of RFID module is from 860 MHz to 960 MHz. The maximum range it can operate is from 6 meter to 8 meter. Operating principle: the RFID readers retrieves the information from RFID tag, which detects the tag and read or write the data into the tag. The reason behind choosing this sensor is with only IR and ultrasonic sensor back can be follow anybody, but if we attach this sensor in our system, the security will be increased, because the RFID tag, which has unique number, will be carrying by the owner of the bag only. So the bag only follow the owner. So these are the actuators which I have used in my project. The first one is DC gear motor. The feature of it is the DC motor offers highly controllable speed, and it offers the precision required by the wide range of industry application. its specifications are the operating voltage of the DC motor is 12 volt, and the motor which I have used in my project is of 600 rpm. The operating principle of it is the DC motor is the motor which converts the direct current into the mechanical work on the principle of magnetic effect of current. So the second actuator which I have used is speaker. Features: the speaker consists of driver that converts audio signal into acoustic waves and it amplifies the sound wave. Specification: the power of the speaker I have used is 5 watt, the sensitivity is 89 decibel, and the frequency response of the speaker is from 80 Hz to 18 kilohertz. The operating principle: speaker use a vibrating membrane or diaphragm to produce sound in response to an electric, digital or wireless signal. This is the gateway which I have used in my project, the Arduino. Features is the Arduino board are able to read analog or digital input signals from different sensors and it turn it into an output. The specification of is the microcontroller used in this Arduino Uno board is Atmega 328P. The digital I/O pins in the Arduino Uno boards are 14. The DC current output on input output pins is 40 milliampere. The operating principle: you can tell your board what to do by sending a set of instructions to the microcontroller on the board by programming. Thank you.